Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create email templates in Outlook. The new Outlook doesn't offer templates by default, so you'll need to add an app to access this feature. Just follow these simple steps to create email templates. Firstly, go to the Insert in the ribbon bar, then select Apps. Type My Templates in the search bar and click on the match-in icon. If you don't see it, just click on Get Add-ins and search for My Templates. Click on Continue after reviewing the add-on description, and you'll see a few default templates. To create your own, just click on the plus template button. Enter a name for your template, then type in your email content in the provided box. Just click Save and your template will now appear in your list of templates. To use it, just select it from the list and it will autofill in the message panel. Now you can create quick and send pre-written emails without retyping them. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.